Well, we're in Milledgeville, folks, and we experiencing some minor flooding down here on this side of town. One part of it, driveway, as you can see, is accumulating pretty good. But down here, where the drainage system is, comes down from Lockerbie. It's starting to pile up down here. As you can see, this is the entering driveway, and right here is nothing but probably about 8 inches deep worth of water, as you can see from that cone. And that's part of the drainage ditch. As you can see, it's deep. Going here over the higher side. I wouldn't step right there, to be honest. As you can see, the ground's even caving through. And that's part of the drain coming through that side. And you can see it's overflowing all through here. Luckily, a little higher ground on this part, but it's coming up. It continues to come. We're going to have some flooding, guys. All right. Crazy Ray's Garage out.